In second place is the Ariston Lydos Hybrid WiFi 80. This is the one I would choose when reducing energy use is the main goal and the installation room meets its requirements. It combines a small heat pump with a 1 to 200 watt heating element. The compressor has a stated average input of 190 watts, and the complete unit reaches energy class A. You can let iMemory adapt operation, use green to prioritize savings, or select boost when you need hot water sooner. Its heating times explain why it is not for everyone. For Ariston's specified temperature rise, green takes 9 hours 21 minutes, iMemory 5 hours 25 minutes, and boost 2 hours 34 minutes. It also needs a room of at least 13 cubic meters, air between 10 and 40 degrees, and produces 49 decibels. Empty weight is 37.5 kilograms. Do not enclose it in a small cupboard or place it next to an area where noise would be intrusive. It ranks second because running costs can be excellent, but it demands more space, noise tolerance, and planning than a conventional storage water heater.